Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Comcast Xfinity Home app for sensor troubleshooting. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Comcast Xfinity Home app on your smartphone. Log in with your Xfinity account credentials if prompted. Once you are logged in, navigate to the main dashboard. Look for the Devices tab at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the Devices tab to view all your connected sensors. Locate the specific sensor that you are having trouble with. Tap on the sensor to open its details page. Check the signal strength indicator to see if it is displaying a good connection. If the signal is weak, try repositioning the sensor to a more central location in your home. Ensure that the sensor's batteries are charged and functioning properly. If the batteries are low, replace them with new ones. Next, look for any messages or alerts indicating issues with the sensor. If there are alerts, follow the on-screen instructions for troubleshooting. To reset the sensor, locate the reset button, usually found on the back or side. Press and hold the reset button for a few seconds until the light on the sensor blinks. Wait for the sensor to reboot and reconnect to the app. After the sensor reconnects, check the app to ensure it is functioning properly. If the issue persists, remove the sensor from the app. To do this, tap on the settings icon in the sensor details page. Select Remove Device and confirm your choice. Once removed, add the sensor back by tapping that Add Device option on the main dashboard. Follow the prompts to add the sensor back into your system. Finally, test the sensor to ensure it is working correctly. If issues still arise, consult the help section in the app or contact Xfinity support for further assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.